Thank you very much. It's time now for your latest weather details, where we saw some clear skies over the interior of Southern Africa overnight, especially towards the interior of South Africa. But along the south coast, there is a reaching high pressure system behind the cold front that is resulting in very cold weather conditions under partly cloudy skies and a slight chance of rainfall along the south coast of the Western Cape province, in towards the Eastern Cape and the south coast of KwaZulu-Natal. And tomorrow you can expect the rainfall to persist along the east coast of the country, with a 60% probability of rainfall in the wild coast of the Eastern Cape province and along the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Swaziland is also in for some isolated rainfall in the morning, but clearing as the day progresses. Otherwise, clear conditions are once again expected over the interior of Southern Africa. Temperatures will be very mild in KwaZulu-Natal as a result of cloudy skies and rainy weather. Maximum of 21 degrees for Ladysmith, and Pietermaritzburg will peak at a maximum of 20 degrees. A lovely day for the Gauteng province, starting at 8 degrees in Johannesburg and reaching a maximum of 24 degrees by the afternoon. Pretoria will peak at a maximum of 25, with very warm conditions also forecast in the Lowveld region of South Africa. And in the southern parts of the country, we do expect very mild weather conditions over the Eastern Cape province and towards the Western Cape. Cape Town will peak at 16 degrees, and rainy weather is also expected over the interior and the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape province. Otherwise, warm weather conditions for Kimberley with a maximum of 25 degrees. And towards our neighbors, we're expecting another sunny day over Namibia and Botswana, with Zimbabwe expecting some partly cloudy conditions going towards the eastern town of Mutare. Otherwise, wet weather conditions as well along the coastal areas of Mozambique. A maximum of 27 degrees over Maputo, Beira at 26 degrees and a high of 28 degrees over Nampula in the far northern parts of Mozambique. And offshore, we're expecting mostly dry weather conditions over the Indian Ocean islands, especially towards the Seychelles, with Victoria peaking at a maximum of 28 degrees. Mauritius is expecting an average temperature of 24 degrees, with Antananarivo in Madagascar peaking at a maximum of 26 degrees. And towards the Great Lakes region, we do expect some scattered thunder showers tomorrow afternoon between Kampala and Kigali, with a maximum of 28 degrees. 22 will be the maximum over Nairobi, with the rainfall also expected to spread towards the coastal areas of Mombasa, with a maximum of 28 degrees. And further north in towards the Sahara Desert, very hot weather conditions between Agadez and Khartoum. Temperatures will peak above 40 degrees for these areas, but mild weather conditions in Addis Ababa, with a slight chance of rainfall at a maximum of 20 degrees. Very hot weather conditions are typical over the Middle East for tomorrow. And towards West Africa, some slight chance of rainfall along the south coast between Abidjan in the Ivory Coast and towards Cameroon in Yaoundé, expecting a maximum of 27 degrees. Otherwise, dry weather conditions over the interior of Mali and towards Niamey in Niger, expecting a maximum of 37 degrees. Agadez will be scorching with a maximum of 40 degrees. Very hot weather also is forecast over Marrakesh with a maximum of 37 degrees. Otherwise, mild weather conditions for Rabat at 27 degrees, but it remains very warm towards Algiers and Tunisia. We're expecting a maximum of 31 over Tunis, and the sunny skies for most parts of tomorrow. And that is all from the weather desk.